Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming account access and storage. Open Google Photos or Drive and choose the folder you want a link. Selecting now saves time. Once done, organize files into a clear folder structure and remove exact duplicates so sync is efficient. Make sure your device is on a stable Wi-Fi connection and plugged in if uploading many images. This prevents interruptions and avoids mobile data charges. These steps set up a smooth, reliable upload. You now transfer and link the images. Drag and drop into Google Photos or Drive, or use the Upload button. Progress shows in the corner. Once items are uploaded, select a photo or a folder, then choose Share and Create Link. This generates a unique URL you can copy. Make sure to set access permissions to viewer, commenter, or editor depending on the recipient, and if privacy matters, set an expiration or restrict by email, so only intended people can open the link. You finish by distributing and verifying access. Paste the copied link into an email, chat, or document, then open it in an incognito window to confirm public access behaves as expected. If you want ongoing updates, enable backup and sync on desktop or mobile so added photos automatically reflect in shared links. If someone reports a broken link, immediately recheck permissions, storage quota, and whether the link expired, then regenerate and resend. That usually
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.